In this video tutorial, we're going to be focusing on how best to combine common questions that appear in different surveys into one single report. And so we're here in the main console of the Survey Manager, so I'm going to go up to the Reports module, and from the sidebar I'm going to select Create Report. Now, as you know, we can select from accounts or users and filter down, but I know my survey names that I want to work with, so I'm just going to type them in. Let's see, I'm looking for online sample. There it is, 5409. It's an online survey. And by the way, you can combine different surveys that are from different modes, be it online, mobile web, mobile app, kiosk, paper, etc. Since the Survey Manager is an enterprise-capable multi-mode platform, so it accommodates many different distribution types for surveys. So okay, I've selected my first survey that I want to compare and combine with others. So now I'm going to check the Select Multiple Surveys box. That checkbox is required so that the system knows you want to combine different multiple surveys. And I'll select the survey type that I want. And I'm just going to go ahead and use a summary report for this example. And I can select long format, tabular, graph. We'll just leave it default, okay? So we'll click Next. And now in this next screen is where we can select what other surveys that have at least some of the common questions within them that I want to compare. Okay, or combine rather is a better way to use of words. So here let's say I've got another survey. It's sample, same date. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I'm going to click that and carry it over. So now I have two surveys that I've selected. I can go ahead and select as many as I want from the left box and carry them over to the right box. But I'm going to stick with these two for now, and I'm going to click the Next button. And now what's happened is it has gone through both surveys and I identified the common core questions that appear in both surveys, because we can only compare and combine common questions across the different surveys. So now I can go ahead and select however many of these I want. I'm just going to select a subset, and here it gives me the locations that appear in the first survey and locations in the second survey in the event that I only want to include one or a subset of locations. But I'm going to keep them all selected for now, and I'm going to click Generate. So now it's combining both data sets from the different surveys and reporting only on the common questions that appear in those two surveys that we selected in the previous screen. And we can see here we have 23 of 23, and I know that my first survey only had 14 completed surveys and the second 9, so this appears to be correct, that it has combined. And I only selected 4 questions, so I have the first 4 questions listed here. You'll note it doesn't give you the question number purposefully because the questions appear in different orders in the different surveys. So it gives you all the other data, and of course, like any report in our system, you have all sorts of options of formatting. If it was a chart, you could format the colors, the chart types, or just go ahead and export to any of these options here as well. So this concludes the short video tutorial discussing how you can combine common questions that appear in different surveys into a single report. Thank you very much.